Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. In today's video we will see the recipe of strawberry jam. This jam is all natural and does not contain any artificial flavors or preservatives. You will need just 2 ingredients to make this jam: some fresh strawberries and plain sugar. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. For this recipe, I have taken around 600 grams of fresh strawberries. Wash them thoroughly to get rid of all the dirt. Remove the stem and then we will pat them dry. Cut the strawberries into small pieces and add in the plain sugar. So I am taking 300 grams of plain sugar for this recipe. Now let's mix in the strawberries and the sugar so that the juices get released. So you can do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the juices are released, transfer this into a saucepan. Now let's begin to cook these strawberries. Keep the flame on medium and start cooking the strawberries. You can keep stirring in between. So after about 5 to 6 minutes, you can see a layer of froth being formed on top. You need to keep removing this froth from top. Froth contains a lot of air bubbles, so by removing it, you are actually increasing the storage span for your jam. Removing the froth also gives the jam a very nice dark red color. The strawberries have been cooking for around 15 minutes now. They have turned really soft, so you can use the back of a spoon or a spatula to mash them. So keep mashing it until you do not see any big chunks of strawberries. So I mashed them for about 5 minutes and my jam looks almost ready. I will cook this for 2 more minutes and then turn off the flame. So you turn off the flame when you see that you have achieved the jam-like consistency. So it is neither too watery nor too thick. Let the jam cool down completely. We will then transfer the jam into an airtight container. You can refrigerate the jam in this airtight container and use it whenever required. You can use this for 2 to 3 months and it would still stay fresh. And when it comes to the taste, it is no less than a store-bought jam. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.